How to use hidden stories features to improve design and promotion. We don't know the truth about the most basic ones. Many hacks are simply hidden. You can post several images in one story. The only thing you need to do is use the copy and paste feature on your phone. Simple genius. Here is how it works. Open the gallery and copy photo to your clipboard. Open Stories. Choose the first photo you need from the gallery. Shrink down the image. Tap on the screen and click on Paste. The second image will be inserted from the clipboard. If you want to get all story hacks and get deeper in what's done in your competitors' story marketing, here you'll finally get the idea of how to watch stories anonymously without fake accounts. Go to theingrammer.com, choose Stories Viewer, type or paste a name of your competitor account, tap Search. Enjoy viewing stories anonymously or tap Autosave Updated to collect all stories. Use the color picker to adjust the story background. With this hack you can keep all content branded and stick with a single color palette, even on stories. Firstly, you need to choose any image from your gallery, an image with the desired color. Open the desired image. Tap on the line tool next to the text. Tap on the marker. Choose the color picker and navigate it over the screen. When the desired color is selected, stop. Tap on the screen and hold. Hold until the whole screen is covered with a solid color. Now you can type text, add a photo or several images through the clipboard, as I showed above. Transfer a live into a Boomerang right in the app. This hack is probably the most shocking. Choose the live photo from your camera roll. Tap and hold on the screen until you see the caption, Boomerang.